I'm literally counting down the days until I get my weave back. I can't do this anymore. Hey, what's up? I hate intros. Let's get right into this. Today I'm going to be doing this very autumn, and this intro is going to be very passive aggressive because I actually had to refilm this. I just wiped my entire drive. I had to do it again, which I'm actually, there is pros and cons too, because it did turn out better than the first time, and also like I did it quicker. I feel like I have to specify that I'm not in fact a bald little egg head today. I know it looks like it, but I have a little bun, which is hence why I'm saying I can't wait to get my extensions back because I just can't live like this any longer. Anyways, I'm gonna hop right into the video. I hope you guys like it. I thought I would do like an eye tutorial voiceover like I used to all the time. I feel like I haven't done it in a while, but let me know. I also just filmed a video where I was, oh my god, I literally look like an egg. What the heck? I filmed a video where I was sitting and chatting through the whole thing. So I guess you can like see both and decide what style you like better. I'm just trying to figure out what I want to do next, you know? Just trying to figure out my next direction because I always am. I like hate having a set routine and having the exact same setup for videos. It just drives me crazy. I'm gonna probably stop talking now. See ya. Love you. Alright team, for the first step I'm just going to do my eyebrows. I'm just brushing them out first with a little spoolie at the end of my brow pencil, and then I'm going to move in to the conditioning primer. I said move in really weird, but this stuff is gold. I'm sure you guys already know. I use it a million times. The Benefit Brow Primer is my entire actual life in a brow product. It just glues your eyebrows down and just gets them ready for whatever it is to come. So I'm just brushing everything up as much as I can and then kind of brushing the hairs sideways just to put everything in place. Does that make sense? Next, I'm taking my Precisely My Brow pencil, and this one is in the shade number 4. I'm just starting to outline my brow, and I wanted something very full and straight. That is usually my go-to autumn brow. I do prefer very, very straight brows in the fall and winter. I'm not sure why I do that. It just makes me feel more cozy. I don't know. There's a lot of eyebrow protecting my face so I don't get cold. I really don't know. It's just preference. But you can do your eyebrows however you'd like. So I'm just outlining them and filling them in, and then moving on to my 24-hour brow setter, which is a brow gel. This, in combination with the Brow Whip Primer, is a dream team. This stuff glues my eyebrows hair like no other. I'm running it through the front of my brows because I don't like any dark brow gel in the front of it. I want it to be pretty clear and just hairy. And then from the middle to the end tail, I like to run my Gimme Brow just to seal everything and add more color. After that, I'm moving on to my lid. So first, I'm just priming everything with my concealer. This is just my Tarte Shape Tape. Just applying a little bit on my eyelid and blending it all out. So I'm using the small brush at first, and then I'm going to feather everything out with a regular concealer brush. And then I'm just setting everything with a loose translucent powder just to get everything prepped. For my main palette, I guess, I'm just taking this Zoeva Caramel Melange palette, and I'm taking the shade Aftertaste, and I'm starting to kind of outline the outer V and kind of go into my crease a little bit. I'm doing this pretty lightly. I took a long time building the color up. Overall, I think it took me about 35-40 minutes just on the eyes, so you do want to take your time if you're blending it out. So I'm just starting to kind of add color and then blending everything together with a fluffy brush and then adding more color and on and on and on. Once everything is more or less starting to get blended together, I'm adding my underbrow highlight, for which I'm just taking the Soft Glam by ABH and taking the shade Tempera. And then I'm starting to kind of blend the crease with the brow bone highlight. Very light hand. Next, I'm dragging everything under my eye, and I know this is kind of out of order for a lot of you. If you guys prefer to do your lid and crease first and then move on to the bottom, that's cool, you can do that. I'm also drawing on this little weird line, which I guess is kind of a little bit of a wing for my inner Papa Shimmer. So yeah, adding more color and building that up. And then I'm taking the shade called Orange Soda from the ABH Soft Glam, and this is going to be my main lid color, so I'm starting to kind of pack it on, once again starting with a little bit of color and moving along as I go. I have this irrational fear of using too much eyeshadow on a brush and just fucking my whole look up, so I like to go slowly. Next, I'm just taking the shade Bronze, which is just this loose gold shimmery shadow, and I'm popping that into that little wing socket that I drew on in my inner corner. I'm going to fix that little gold speck, don't worry. Next, I'm taking the shade Mulberry, which definitely ties the entire thing together. It just adds so much depth. It's just this like wine shade from the Soft Glam palette. And I'm starting to build it up in the very, very outer corner. And I'm also going to be blending it under my eye a little bit as well. Honestly, this shade makes all the difference. After that, I'm just cleaning up the look a little bit. I don't want a sharp edge, but I did want to clean up the shape a little more and make it a little more winged. So that is what I'm doing with the leftover concealer. This is the same brush that I blended my primer with. Next, I'm taking a Sigma eyeliner pencil. I don't know why I did that. I normally would have just used liquid eyeliner, but you guys can use any eyeliner. I'm not smudging the liner much at all. It is still a very sharp kind of line, so it doesn't really matter if you use a pencil or not. I'm taking the Shiseido Arch Liner ink and I'm sharpening my wing with that, which is why I said I don't really know what I was going. After that, I'm just taking my Lily lashes, and these are the Sydney ones, I believe. All my lashes are in a big case, so sometimes it's hard to tell, but I'm pretty sure these are the Sydney ones. And after that, that is my eye look. For my lips, I'm just taking this Fenty Mademoiselle lipstick in the shade Single, and that's basically all I'm using. I'm not even lining my lips, which is out of character, but gotta do what you gotta do sometimes, you know. I'm just blending it a little bit with a brush, and after that, that is it for my eyes and lips. So that is it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys liked it. I hope you liked the fall. I did try to use this freaking palette. It's so dirty. Sorry. I tried to use this palette because I feel like so many people picked it up when it released and I haven't really used it much in videos, so I thought I would use it. So I hope that was helpful, maybe, if you have the palette. See you guys in the next video, and also I'm working so hard on this boob reduction video. For those of you who didn't know, I guess this is like a good time to chat because it's the end of the video. If you've made it this far, like, you probably like me a little bit. Yeah, if you don't follow me on my smaller account on Instagram, like I have my makeup one and then I have my everyday gents one, which is just pretty much whatever the fuck I want to post, I post on there. So if you don't follow me on that, I'm basically going through with a breast reduction, and it's something I've been wanting for years and years and years. I've talked about it in many videos, but I've actually managed to book the surgery, and so it's actually happening. There is a date now, which is the end of October. It's 26th, and I've been working on the video for you guys because it's been very much so requested on that small Instagram, and I'm just working so hard on it, filming so much for it. So when that's done, I'll obviously post that. I don't know why I mentioned that. I feel like I just haven't talked about my reduction on YouTube yet, so I thought I would give you guys a little update. So I'm gonna have no tits soon, but I'm gonna go now. Hopefully I won't have to refilm this for the third time, but if I do, then you'll hear all about it. Love you. Bye. Ew, what the hell?